Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix Davinci Resolve unsupported GPU processing mode. So guys, I'm going to give you two fixes for this, right? So firstly, let us navigate to our GPU drivers. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a previous version of our drivers. So whether you have NVIDIA or AMD GPU, I'm going to just show it for the AMD GPU because I'm more experienced with red GPUs, AMD's ones. So guys, if you want to try and fix this, just type in, if you're using AMD just like me, just type in, of course you have to know your GPU name. So for example, I will search for mine. So AMD RX 670 XT, and then type in previous drivers, okay? Right. So you need a page that says not drivers, but previous drivers. That's where you can download the previous versions, older versions of the drivers for your GPU. So as you can see, we have 25.5.1, 25.4, 25.3, and so on. And then just press on the download button and install the previous drivers. Okay guys, and before installing the old driver, you can either just roll it back by downloading this installation file, right? So here's this button. Or you can just go into your control panel, and then choose this AMD software, and then just press uninstall, okay? And after you've uninstalled, just install the new driver. And the last fix. Okay, so the last fix is going to be as follows. You go to Davinci Resolve, then Preferences, then you go Video and Audio. No, this is not the one. Memory and GPU, the very first tab. And guys, make sure to, if you have issues, untick this auto in GPU selection, and make sure that your AMD GPU or NVIDIA GPU is selected, and also make sure that this check mark is also selected as well. So as you can see, this is a discrete GPU, so make sure to do this. This also sometimes helps fixing these issues, and these are pretty much the fixes. And also the very simple fix for this is going to be completely removing and then installing Davinci Resolve once again to basically erase all the files and then just reinstall everything back. And that also fixes a lot of issues, not only in Davinci but in other programs on Windows as well. So hopefully this helps you out guys. Enjoy, and if you of course enjoyed the video, if it was helpful, make sure to support us of course by liking the video and subscribing. See you soon.